everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? It's a beautiful weather out and a beautiful outfit out, and I hope you're having fun where you are. All right, so today we're going to be walking us through how we made one of our bespoke pieces. Truly, when I say bespoke, I mean bespoke. This is I don't know, this is birthed, this is birthed and new. There is nothing like this. I mean, nothing like this on the internet. Yeah, test me, show me something that is this on the internet, and maybe I'll eat my words. Okay, so yeah, before I run us through this, because it's really very easy. It's easy to work. As beautiful and as bespoke as it is something you can pull up, pull off, so to speak. Yeah, so are you new here? Go and subscribe to our channel. On a weekly basis, we bring you brand new videos. We inspire you on all of the possibilities of crochet. We walk you through how we made one of our bespoke pieces. We demystify what one celebrity or another wore. We simplify patterns. We modify patterns. We draw patterns. We create graphs. We just create anything crochet. You can find your footing right here. So go and subscribe. Right, we have our galleries up on Instagram. You can find our wedding day apparel or at Makisode Weddings, and then you can find our corporate casuals and accessories at Makisode Models. All right, so yeah, do well to like, do well to follow us. Yeah, leave a nice comment and share our content. Now, what did we do? Okay, what did we do? This apparel was it's a pair of pants, ankle length pants. It was made for a size UK 12. That's like a large, yeah, between a medium and a large individual. All right. So what did we do really? All we did was squares, right? You make as many. We use granite squares, and then we use this 8 petal flower square motif. Motif. That's all really. So we created as many squares as you need, and as your measurements allow. Now for this, there are the tricky thing here is measurements. Like I always say, measurements are important, all right, and which is what will require that you create motifs. Sorry, that you create swatches so that you know exactly what it is you're up against. So essentially, I had 7 squares go around this individual, 7 squares in total. Now that means that the pant leg is not going to need all 7. Definitely will not need all 7, and may not need exactly half of it. It may need like a little bit over a half. Yeah, usually the thigh is a little bit over a half of the widest part of the individual's body, usually. Yeah, except in rare cases. Okay, so we needed 6 squares to go around here. 6 squares, sorry, 4 squares to go around the pant leg, and then we needed 7 squares to go around the body. So yeah, there's a trick to that. Okay, so what did we do? Of course, you would create your pant legs are easy to create because it's the same. If you're walking the same width from the crotch to the ankle, so you can do all of that joining. After doing all of that joining, you now work out the widest part of your body. You need to note that your squares, yeah, by the time you multiply the number of squares you have by the width of the squares, you're supposed to have the measurement that you require. So if you do not have that measurement, you're going to have to modify. In other words, you may have to walk a few rows east and west to achieve that, or north and south to achieve that. So that's left for you, which is where the little trick comes in. However, on the whole, everything is easy peasy. Okay, so yeah, what did we do? Now, like I said, it took 7 squares to go around. Now, note at the point where it takes the 7 squares to go around, you realize that you may have to insert 2 same colors. Okay, so what did we do? We divided a square. We walked half a square and half of the other square and put them together so that we still have a white here, black, white, and black. Okay, and then of course walking towards the waist region, we had to reduce. So what did we do again? We reduced. We walked a triangle. Okay, we reduced evenly until we got a tippy point, and then walked our band. Right, our band, we used just the granite square stitch. We walked up a few rows and then folded over to sew it over this elastic. We prepped our elastic. I'll show you a video on how we prepped our elastic maybe in another one, but Definitely there are videos showing you how we sewed the squares together. There are videos, I'm going to attach all the links. There are videos showing you how we worked this beautiful square motif, right? Yeah. And then videos also showing you how we sewed this band in as nicely and as neatly as you can see it. So that's it really. Okay, something else I'd like to mention. You realize that the seat, the butt seat, is usually a little bit longer, yeah, than the front seat. So you have something they call there's a measurement I call, I don't know what other people call it, from the waist to under your butt, right? And that measurement is taken over your butt cheek. So that measurement is what to require, it was to determine just how long that this line is going to be, the line from your waist to the crotch from the back, right? In order to come and meet the line, from the waist to the crotch from the front. The waist to the crotch from the front is way shorter than the waist to the crotch from the back. All right, so that measurement, creating all of that is a little bit tricky. So but it's not for this video. This video is just on how we made this. So if you think you want to know about that, let us know in the comments, and then we'll see what we can do about that. So that's about it. Essentially all round squares, granny stitch band. You put an elastic band in there, or you can put a drawstring if a drawstring is more your thing, and that's about it. Okay, is there any part of this video that's not clear? Do let us know in the comments, and would maybe walk you through something a little bit more explicit. Yeah, but on the other hand, if you do not have the time, but you love this pair of pants and you want it, also let us know, and we will make it for you for a token, a little token. All right, so let us know whichever one appeals to you. All right, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.